Hi, I'm Mark from Maynard Made Products, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to install your DUCERUP transducer lifter assembly onto your Vexilar ice fishing system mounted on the ProPack Elite base. Okay, to install your DUCERUP arm assembly onto the ProPack Elite shuttle, you have to first loosen both screws on your Vexilar. And then the screw to your left as you face the unit has to be completely removed so that you are able to just pull this out slightly and provide some access. Now notice there is a rubber washer that's inset here. That can complicate putting this together, so keep an eye on that. If you're having trouble with it binding, it's probably that right there that's giving the issue. Okay, on the DUCERUP assembly, you'll see that there's a pin that sticks down, which is going to go into this larger hole at the bottom of the ProPack Elite base. There's also a protrusion here that goes just behind the fish finder and over the top of the arm on the ProPack Elite. So you're going to put the pin in on the bottom and then rotate the device through this gap with the protrusion through the gap and into place, and it'll look something like this. Put the pin in the base, put that protrusion behind, slide it into place. When everything lines up, reinsert your screw into your Vexilar, which that can be one of the hardest things. And once you've done that and tighten it up to where you want for your viewing angle, you've installed your device, and now the next step will be putting the transducer onto the arm. Okay, to install the transducer onto your arm assembly, you must first ensure that the arm is in the full upright position. Depress the pedal. The arm will go vertical. Then you can make sure that you set the transducer carefully onto a flat surface immediately in front of the transducer arm. And take the cable and lay it into the groove at the top of the arm. Hold it in place, and then lace the cable through the cable guides on the top of the arm. Take any excess cable material and you can just stuff it behind the electronics assembly. Take the provided clip, place it over the end of the arm into the two depressions on either side of the arm. Depress the pedal, and your transducer should just touch or slightly hover above the vertical surface, and you'll know you have a properly adjusted transducer installed on your DUCERUP arm assembly. To place your fish finder into operation, simply take your transducer, put it into the hole in the center of the hole, make sure that your DUCERUP arm is level, your pedal will be in the upright position. Set the hook on a fish, use your foot, press the pedal, DUCERUP takes the transducer out of the hole so that you can fight the fish, not the finder.